You are going to love the 2017 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, quad seating, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, aluminum wheels. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.